What's up, YouTube community? Your boy K-Dub here to bring you another video for Crown Kicks. Air Jordan Gamma Blue. Now, I gotta say, man, the sneaker game is back. As far as the long lines, as far as the sellouts, as far as like the resellers and all of that stuff is officially back. I can honestly say it's officially back. The sneaker game has been dead for a while. The sneaker game flooded with pairs. And luckily, I have a crazy story because this morning, I was supposed to get up at about 7 o'clock to catch the Foot Locker stores. And I woke up kind of late at 8 o'clock because I was really tired. I did a job for my own company, for my own security company last night. So that's why I look kind of tired right now. I am tired, actually, and I'm going to go to sleep sometime today to get a lot of rest before I go in again tonight for my company. But here we go. I was able to go to Foot Locker and grab two different Foot Lockers and grab two pairs of Gamma Blues. Now, some people I know today were running up and down Philly. They didn't even get one pair. And I was able to get two pairs. So let's open this baby up and see what it's about, man. Gamma Blue. Unique box, man. I like this box. Like a suitcase that they build in these boxes. I like when they do that. Then you open it up and you see the Jumpman right there. This is a size 11. And I was able to double up, so I'm going to wear both of these off the box. But look. Look at that. Look at that, man. This is a beautiful shoe, man. Got your polka dot paper and got your Gamma on the heel. And look at that, man. Carbon fiber, black carbon fiber. Look at this. This is a beautiful shoe, man. Like, this is beautiful. Now, I had the original 2013 pair of these, and I had to freeze in the cold to get them. But, man, these are beautiful, man. And then you look at the tag, you got the Gamma Blue, and you got that touch of yellow. The touch of yellow is what gets it for me. You got your touch of yellow on the back at 23. You got your Jumpman on the side of the heel. Now, these ones are different from the 2013 pair because they cut the leather here on the side a little higher, closer to the Jumpman. If you look at the one from 2013, the leather is cut a little lower. So, yeah, doubling up on these, man, it was worth it to me. Then you got your carbon fiber with your molding right here, right below the leather. And it's kind of soft too. You push it, press it, and these are good, man. These are the best 11s that they released in a while, man, in my opinion. You haven't seen these since 2013, so that's what, like 12 years you haven't seen the Gammas. But I remember when these first came out, man, and I was on Broad and Thompson, and I stood out there. I camped out in the cold. It was snowing that day to grab these joints, man. That purple on the bottom, touches of purple on the midsole. Oh, my goodness. That purple right here on the sole, on the top, on the midsole, top of the midsole right here is really give this sneaker its uniqueness. And you really got two, 3, or 5 different tones of color on this sneaker. You got the purple, you got the 2 or 3 different tones of black, because this is different from this black. This is patent leather, that's mesh, like a mesh type black. And then you got your carbon fiber, and then you have this, your midsole right here, and your midsole right here, your purple. So, this is a good shoe, man. So it's been hard to pick these up, man. And like I said, I was lucky to get these. I was lucky to wake up and get to the store and drive and go get these joints, man. And I'm wearing them right out the box. The first chance I get that I'm doing something or going out, I'm wearing these. I really was gonna say these for Christmas. I don't know. I might do that and then wear the Bugs Bunnies on New Year's. But yeah, the Bugs Bunnies come out next week. But there you go, your Gamma Blues, man. Please like and subscribe. And let me know what you think about these. Are you going to pick them up? Or are you going to try to pick them up for resale if you can't find them? They should be sold out a lot of places right about now. But if you can't find them, man, I think you should buy them for resale. I think they're worth it. Let me know what you think below. Thanks for viewing.